so we're working on a 2007 F350. Now, the issue is our air conditioning. You're going to need to empty your glove box, and you're going to be moving this piece like that, and then over like this. If your AC is blowing hot, and for example, you can tell that the air conditioning is on, if you walk outside, look where the water or the condensation is normally is, you'll see that it's dripping. So that means the compressor, all of that stuff is still good. Everything is working. The problem is it's going to be your blend door. Now this guy here is your blend door. And what it does, it allows warm air, a little bit of warm and cold, mainly cold, to enter the vents so that you stay cold or cool. So we're going to take this one out. I have a new one to put in, but I can't find it. I bought it when this was acting up, and when I went to change it, it was working, so I didn't want to mess with it. So it's pretty hot right now, meaning it's blowing hot air. Just started a couple hours ago. So I'm hoping I'm going to open it up and see if we can fix this thing. If not, I'll have to get one ordered. So maybe this will be a repair so you guys can see it in case and help you out. So tab there, unplug. And to pull this thing out, you basically get a flat blade screwdriver or any tool, and you're gonna go under here and push up. Pretty straightforward. Those tabs are just held in place, so you can pretty much just push up on it. Okay, now you want to scoot all the way and get it pushed up. There's a shaft that is inserted, and you want to make sure you get that up before you try and pull. I think we're free, so let's try and get it. Now you can't yank it, you're gonna have to go up some more just to make sure that it is cleared, and then you can bring it forward just like that. All right, so we're gonna open this one up. I can feel it's warm, and I don't know how long this thing. So this is the actuator portion. It turns, and I don't think it's functioning. Now, for example, let's say you really need to get your air going, and whatever position this is in, you could open this, pull this piece out, and stick it back in, and rotate, and it will open your blend door to either cold or heat. Right now, whatever position this was in was heat, so you'd probably go opposite. So right now, I'm going to pull these tabs, and we're going to open this thing. I want to take a look inside of it. All right, much better. All right, so let's get some grease, and let's get some power in this thing. All right, so I'm fast forwarding through this because it did not work. I went through checking power. I was getting some voltage. Now that motor, it's a sideway motor. It was not stuck, but the motor would not turn when power was applied. It was getting power, so I think the motor itself was bad, probably from overheating or whatever, but it was not getting any turning, any motion to actually activate or open or close the blend door. So pretty much at 519 is actually what we started the actual repair. So this is just me talking and explaining that we tried, but it did not work. So you can pretty much skip this if you don't want to, but we were checking the terminals on the shaft, and it makes contact, so I was hoping those were loose and it would start to rotate. So I was actually activating the air conditioning unit, turning the knob, seeing if the motor would start to turn, but it did not. So the problem is the entire system or unit would have to be replaced. So what we're going to be doing is basically pulling the shaft out and inserting it into the opening and slide it down, and now you can activate, move it forward or backwards to open the blend door. Now be mindful if you notice that as you're driving, sometimes depending on the motion or the roughness, you might accidentally close the blend door, so you will have to open it again. So you might have to put something on it or in front of it to stop it. Now that's the heat that was coming out of the heater. That's super hot. So we're going to be fast forwarding again, and pretty soon now I'm going to reach down and close the heat blend door. Now we're going to put air, cold air, and we're going to basically now watch the unit start to cool down. So pretty straightforward. You can do this, and if you're traveling and this happened to happen, you're good to go. Just open the glove box and unplug the harness and basically take that part out and just flip it, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. Hopefully this will help you, and I'm hoping I'll find mine tomorrow. I moved it somewhere, but I gotta get it. If not, I'll just order another one. All right, guys, enjoy this short video. Hopefully this will help somebody out. Thanks for watching.